Hi, I'm Ayushi from Graphics ID. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss about startup ideas and new technology trend. I'm super excited to share that one of our idea got approved by investors and is in development phase. We weren't able to record the video as we were busy in that, but now we are back with another episode of Startup Saturday. Now you all must be wondering, what's this interesting idea and how did we get it? So the story begins that I have a younger sister who has just completed her 12th grade and she's an excellent student. So she was searching for an authentic platform where she could get all such valuable information about scholarships of different universities. Unfortunately, she didn't get any such platform. So this story hit us and we think that this is a problem which is faced by a lot of students in the country. So we decided to develop a platform where we could provide all such credible information to the students who are looking forward to applying scholarships. The name of our app is Go Scholar, and here's the overview of our app. The first point is MVP. So what's an MVP? MVP is a minimum viable product and it consists of all the essential and minimum features by which an app is introduced into the market. Also, it makes our app stand out from the other apps. So our first MVP of the app is list of suitable scholarships. Now the user will sign up by providing all of his personal details, and after providing his personal details, his profile will be created. Now based on the details which he has entered and the profile, the user will receive a list of scholarships on the app's dashboard. Our second MVP is filters. Now the user has this option to filter out his list of scholarships based on his percentile, universities and amount of scholarships and several other factors. Our third MVP is apply. Now after filtering out the list of scholarships, the user will see the filtered list of scholarships. Now the user will find an apply button in front of all the scholarships. Our fourth MVP is document attachment. After applying for the scholarship, the user can see the details about the scholarship. Also, he has the option to attach additional document required for the scholarship. Our fifth MVP is payment gateway. So after attaching the document, the user has to process the application by paying an application fee for that scholarship. Our sixth MVP is applied. So after submitting the application form, the application will go in process, and then if a user wants to apply for more scholarship, then he has to go back to the dashboard, where if he has already applied for one, then he will see an apply tab in front of it. Our seventh MVP is approved and rejected. If a university approves an application of the user, then he will receive a push notification. Also, if he wants to check his list of approved and rejected applications, then he can go to his profile section. So this was the feature list of our app. Now before discussing about design and development of the app, I'd like to talk about our target audience. So the target audience of our app covers people who are above the age of 14 years, which includes students, undergraduates, and it works best for both males and females. Initially our target country is India, but we might think to expand it later into the global market. So after identifying a target audience, we need to validate this idea from them. And to validate this idea from a target audience, firstly we will target the online market, and for that we'll create a list of questionnaires in Google form and we'll float it to the online audiences. Also we will run ads on social media, and to target the offline market we will approach college students, school students and undergraduates. After receiving the positive feedback from our audiences, it ensures that there's a strong requirement of our app in the market. Now, before moving into the designing and development phase of the app, we'd like to discuss about the revenue model. So the revenue model talks about how to monetize the app. Now you can monetize the app by charging a nominal fee from the user at the time when he's submitting the application. Also, if his application gets approved, you can charge a nominal fee. And if any university or corporate or NGO is offering scholarship on your platform, so you can charge a nominal fee from them as well. After discussing about target audiences, idea validation, revenue model, we will enter into the design and development phase of the app. So firstly, I'd like to talk about UI and UX designing of the app. So in UI, we'll create prototypes and wireframes which will cost you around 4 lakh rupees, and then our app will get developed using best possible technologies such as React.js and Node.js, which will cost you around 10 lakh rupees. Now our app is fully developed and is available on the App Store. Now we need to market our app, and for that we will do social media marketing. So firstly, we'll run ads on social media platforms and we'll post relevant content, and secondly, we'll visit different schools, universities and colleges to promote our application, and we'll also conduct seminars and webinars. So this was the overview of our app. I hope you've liked it. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel for more relevant content.